This is Banana Punch from Bad Apple. We got this at Caliva.
And this is Grocery Shopping with Chef Todd.
What we're doing right now, our strain of the day is Banana Punch from Bad Apple. The terpenes that are in this strain, and just so you guys know, terpenes, they're aromatic compounds that give cannabis its scent and its taste. There's also some medicinal properties in each terpene, but our terpenes today are limonene, myrcene, and caryophyllene. So, Chef Todd, what are you gonna build to play off of those terpenes?
So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build a vegan dish. We're gonna do a smoked portobello with lemon butter beurre blanc. And we're gonna add some couscous to that and some asparagus.
So I see you got a lemon in there.
Yeah.
So now that's going in that lemon butter beurre blanc?
This is going in lemon butter beurre blanc. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the juiciest lemon so I can get the most out of it. So I wanna give it a feel,
Now, okay, so should it be a harder lemon or a softer lemon?
So you wanna get it a softer one, which means it's more ripe.
Okay.
You know what I mean? The harder ones tend to not be able to get as much juice out of them.
Okay.
So I'm just, I'm gonna pick it up, feel it, make sure that it's soft, ripe, and ready to go.
I learned something the other day. I was down south, and I was at a market that had a whole bunch of limes in there. It was a Hispanic dude, didn't speak any English. He was picking limes. He shared with me that you pick limes by color and not by feel. So he was telling me and pointing me towards ones that had a lot of yellow in them. So that's my cool thing. And let me tell y'all something. These terpenes in the cannabis are gonna pair with the food. When Chef Todd does this lemon butter beurre blanc, the limonene that's floating through your body from that cannabis strain, from that Banana Punch, it latches onto it and it makes the lemon so much more pronounced. We'll get to that in a little bit.
Next level.
Crikey, we're going grocery shopping with Chef Todd. We caught some peppers. We caught some lemons. We caught some cilantro. Do I sound like a Australian? Oh, okay.
What's a good white wine that would pair well with, say, like a vegan dish, like a spicy vegan dish?
So, something like a Riesling or a Gruner Veltliner. The Lake Harvest Riesling.
Lake Harvest Riesling. Okay. We're gonna try that, Columbia Valley.
Easy.
Okay, y'all, so we're here in Whole Foods. We just got an alley-oop from Perry, the wine manager, on a good Riesling to try. And do you want to tell them what's in that Riesling? Perry, hold on. Perry doesn't even know what we're doing.
At all.
And he gave us the perfect wine pairing.
He's the plug. So anytime you're at Whole Foods in Johns Creek, definitely holler at Terry. So this Riesling actually is made with apricots, orange zest, and honeyed lemon, which I think will pair perfect with the lemon butter beurre blanc that we're going to use, as well as the spice element in the mushroom. You can see the tricolors in there, which is going to give this dish not only the flavors and stuff that I'm looking for, but as well as the color element to really, brighten up that dish and give it a lot of color with the vegetables, the peppers, the portobello, and the asparagus and the lemon beurre blanc. Because Whole Foods is the only one that I know that carries it. Garlic and herb really takes a lot of dishes to that next level, gives it that pungent, earthy taste without adding a whole lot of salt, so it elevates a lot of dishes.
Okay, y'all, we're finishing up here at Whole Foods. Like I said, we got the Banana Punch from Bad Apple. This strain, the terpenes are limonene, myrcene, and caryophyllene. And Chef Todd.
So I'm gonna do my thing with the vegan dish with the smoked portobello, and then we're gonna take these terpenes and really elevate them with this dish.
It's going down. Oh, check this out. This is a Georgia beer, all right? And you can see it's kind of Asian. It's got a citrus element in it, so it's gonna pair with limonene in the strain.
What is it, yuzu?
Hold on. Yes, yuzu. What's yuzu?
So it's like a Japanese citrus. It's kind of fairly close to like a Meyer lemon flavor.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna take the whole experience to
Yep, to a whole new level.
We'll see y'all soon. Shopping with Chef Todd.